Hey everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this ribbed summer top, and it's worked sideways, but it's done in ribbing, so it has a very knitted look. So let's get started. To make this really easy knit look shell top, you're going to make two sections like this, join them down the two sides and just a little bit on both sides at the shoulders. And that's how easy it's going to be to work this super simple summer top. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. And you're going to work a foundation chain that is as long as you would like your sweater to be from the shoulder to the hem. So work a foundation chain. To make a chain, all you do is pick up the yarn and pull it through that stitch on the hook. So go ahead and work your foundation chain. And when your foundation chain is the correct length, you're going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. 1, 2, single crochet. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, then pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops on the hook. So you're going to go ahead and work all the way down your foundation row and work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, and that's what it would look like to have your first row. Like that, that's the first row. Okay, after you have your first row completed, the following rows are all going to be the same. So it's going to be chain 1 and turn. And that chain 1 is going to take the place of this first stitch. So it's the second stitch from the hook. So you're going to work into the third stitch. So we're going to work in the back side of the stitch. Insert the hook, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops. So we're going to single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. So work all the way across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. Okay, and that's how that's going to look. That's the second row. Like that. The second row. Now every row is exactly the same. You're going to chain 1 and turn. You're going to work in the first, second, third stitch when you're looking from up above. 1, 2, 3. In the back side of the stitch. Single crochet in each stitch across the row. Now if you make sure that you always start working in that stitch, you'll have a nice straight edge. So you're going to work all the way across the row, working in the back side of the stitch. You're going to continue to repeat that row over and over until the work is long enough to be able to wrap it around your chest from one underarm to the opposite underarm. So there's 3 rows completed, like that. 3 rows completed. Just work over and over until you have a rectangle that is the correct size. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet this knitted look summer shell that you can wear alone, or you can layer it under a blazer or a blouse. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.